Well, I've just come home from our nearly 2 weeks at Urunga, and Tracy said this table has got to go, and it was wobbly, horrible, and yeah, it was just annoying. Go with one of those table pedestals and adjustment things that all the good caravans have these days, and we'll see how easy it is to put it in. So I've already removed the table off the pole, and next step is to remove this whole fitting, which is quite easy. You can just loosen this off to remove the pole. There's the pole gone, and that undoes. And the base comes up. So we now have to take these out. I'll have to clean the floor underneath that old base. I'll keep these 4 screws to mount the new base on. Well, this is the existing table from our caravan, and I've taken the 8 screws out, and now it's also glued in with spots of liquid nails, for want of a bit. So I just got a flat blade, put it in there, tapped it under, and then another flat blade, tapped it under, and then it started to peel, and it peeled off. And as you can see there, the spots the liquid nails was on. So now I've got to just scrape these off with a bit of a chisel or to get them off, so I can then reuse this table top on the new fitting. So I've grabbed the mechanism off the new table that arrived, and now I've placed it on top of the old tabletop, and I just got to center it and drill some pilot holes, because we need to mount this onto the pedestal before we screw this onto the this frame. But to make that job easier, we need to drill some pilot holes in there first. So I'm going to do that now. I'm using the same screws that I actually pulled out of the tabletop that was holding the old mechanism on. So this mechanism can be mounted anywhere, but I've chosen to mount it roughly in the middle here at the end, so that I can adjust it when so I'll be sitting here, Tracy will be sitting up the other end, and this, so I can reach it and pull the table out. Yeah, so I'm going to mount it here. I'll pop this first screw in. she's now mounted to the frame, and when we pull that lever down, it moves. Yeah, so now that I've done that, I've got to tape it off, take the tabletop off, so I can, actually what I might do, I'm going to test this out in the caravan and make sure that the base is mounted in the right spot. So we set the base in place, and then we line the top up. I'll just put 2 of these screws in. And then we line this up to be exactly where we want it. Okay. And this can go over there. Yep. Plenty of room. Right, so then we'll line it up with the vinyl in the floor. That's about level, that's about straight, so now we screw it to the floor. And using the screws that I removed from the old table base. Okay, now we undo these screws, holding the top on to put the base cover on. Base cover goes on. And we can screw the knob back on, wherever that is. Here it is. And now we can attach this properly. These 4 screws come in these holes, and you've got to pull them out before you start. Okay, they're on. Then we just tighten them up. Okay, that's all good. So we can bring the tabletop in now and attach it. Well, here we go with the tabletop, and the cut-off edge goes towards the bed, and now we screw it into place. I'll be putting the screws back in that I used to drill the holes in the first place before we mounted the tabletop base. So 1 screw in there and 1 screw over here, and that automatically lines it up in the right spot. Okay. Okay, there we have it. She's installed, and I'll just see how it goes. And the idea is that I can pull it in, pull it over here if I want. That is awesome. That is terrific. And it doesn't, well, it does move a little bit, a little shake. Pull it over there or pull it over there, and I can get out when I'm nice and fat easily. Look at that, amazing.
Oh wow, look at the table. That looks amazing, doesn't it? So much better. That is really good, isn't it? Wow, look at that. And you've got so much more room now. You can move it. Can you? Do you want to move it? Oh. Or is it hard to move?
No, you've got to squeeze it. Move it
Well,
in
look
really
at
tight.
that. Yeah, but you don't.
Moving it real tight.
You don't want to be real tight.
Yeah.
And does it go? Which way does it go? This way or that way?
Yeah, push.
Oh wow.
So you got heaps. You've got heaps of room if you want to.
Yeah, Yeah, that is so good. It's better than that other table, isn't it? So
Heaps
much better.
Heaps
Yeah.
better.
And it's not like the other table was so wobbly,
Yeah,
whereas this one is,
yeah. Okay, it moves a little bit, but only
But
when
nothing like the other table. The other table just moved too much, and it's just amazing. That is just really good, isn't it?
Mm.
It's worth its money, I think. Yeah.
$500.
Yeah, no, it's really great. Really great. Excuse the caravan, it's in a bit of a mess. We haven't cleaned it out yet since we've been away.
No.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome.
And it's hot in here.
It is really hot in here. But yeah, no.
All right, end of this mod.
Very, very good.